Hi, I'm Christina Blacklaws, and I specialised in family law for over 20 years, including dealing with cases of domestic abuse and its consequences. I know how tough it can be for those affected. Domestic abuse can happen to anyone: couples, parents and their children, siblings and other relations who share a home. And it isn't just about violence. Domestic abuse includes controlling someone else's movement or behaviour, or verbally or psychologically abusing them. It also includes controlling finances and denying a person access to money. If you think you may have experienced domestic abuse, it's important you understand the immediate steps you can take to protect yourself and any children from further abuse. If you have been accused of abuse, you need to be aware of what this means and what you need to do about it. If you think you're being subjected to domestic abuse, if necessary, an emergency order can be gained from the court to ensure your safety. This can often be obtained the next or the same day if you contact a solicitor. There are also a number of dedicated domestic abuse charities and support groups who can help. You may be eligible for legal aid. It's important you talk to sympathetic experts who can help you to take practical and legal steps to protect yourself and others at risk. If you've been accused of domestic abuse, including through solicitors' correspondence or court proceedings, you're likely to be worried about the impact it could have on you. You may well wish to be legally represented to understand the implications of allegations of domestic abuse on seeing children or returning to your home. You should talk to legal experts as early as possible so they can advise you on your best course of action. Whether you're experiencing domestic abuse or you've been accused of it, it's also likely to affect any children you have. Sadly, children can be aware of domestic abuse even when you're doing all you can to protect them from witnessing it. If domestic abuse against a child has already occurred, individuals at a child's school or other concerned parties may notify social services or the police. If this does happen, they'll want to talk to you to make sure you're taking appropriate action to protect your children and yourself. This can include obtaining an injunction. Talking to impartial experts will mean you receive the right advice and understand what you need to do. Domestic abuse is a challenging area, but by talking to the right people at the right time, you can make sure you find the quickest route out of a very difficult situation.